Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show meditation and the four asanas used for meditation. Meditation or Dhyana is the ultimate stage of yoga practice which brings peace of mind. Practicing meditation regularly improves our memory. The four asanas are Padmasana, Vajrasana, Swastik Asana, and Siddhasana. Every asana requires Jnana Mudra. This is how we should place Jnana Mudra. The first asana is Padmasana. Fold both the legs such that the soles of both legs should face sky. Place Jnana Mudra in both the hands. Close your eyes and concentrate on breathe. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. Second one is Swastik Asana. In this asana, the right leg should be seen and the left sole should be hidden. Place Jnana Mudra in both the hands. Close the eyes and concentrate on breathe. Do any of these asanas for at least 4 to 5 minutes a day. Next one is Vajrasana. Fold both the legs backwards as shown. Place Jnana Mudra in both the hands. Keep your neck and body straight. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. The next one is Siddhasana. In this asana, the left leg should be seen and the right should be hidden. Place Jnana Mudra in the both hands. Slowly close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Concentrate on the breath. Do any of these asanas after taking bath. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.